In Figma, files are the individual design documents that make up a project. Each file can contain multiple pages, artboards, and design elements, and can be shared with other team members for collaboration. Some key features of files and sharing in Figma. File types. Figma supports a wide range of file types, including design files for creating and editing designs, prototype files for creating interactive prototypes, and presentation files for presenting designs to stakeholders. Collaboration. Figma allows multiple team members to collaborate on a single design file in real time. You can invite other users to view, comment, and edit the file, and you can see their changes as they make them. Sharing options. You can share a Figma file with others in a variety of ways, including by sending a direct link, sharing via email, or embedding the file in a web page or blog post. Permissions. Figma provides granular control over file permissions, so you can specify who has access to your files and what level of access they have. Example: view only, edit, comment, etc. Version history. Figma automatically saves version history for each file, so you can easily roll back to a previous version if needed. You can also add comments to each version to provide context for the changes. Integration with other tools. Figma integrates with a variety of other design and project management tools such as Jira, Trello, and Slack. In summary, files and sharing are a core aspect of working in Figma, allowing teams to collaborate and iterate on designs in a seamless and efficient way. Let's look at how this works. So this is your file, and I have just changed the name from what it was. You can change it to whatever thing, press enter, and that would reflect. All right, so I'm going to change it back to file and sharing. Press enter and you can change that. Now, in order for you to be able to share the file, which is very much possible, I've shown you how to create the different pages. You can just click on the add new page and you'll be able to add another page. Let's say star, and you can go up to shapes and just click on the star 2, and with that you'll be able to have a star in the star 2 group. So we have all of this in the different pages and you can do whatever you want with it. All right, so how do you share these files to collaborate with other people at the end of the day? All you need to do is click on share at the top close to your avatar. Click on share, and once you do that, this screen pops up. Now, there are ways you can invite people to this file. All right, so the first way is anyone with the link can view. With the drop down, you can either choose can edit or can view. So that means anyone with the link will be able to view this file if it's chosen as can view, or will be able to view and edit the file. So they can either come into the file and move this circle around to somewhere else, or just make changes to it. So that is what it means by anyone can edit. And then there are other things. Only people invited to this file can be able to use the file. So if you choose this, that means you'd have to send an invite to people, because there will be no access for anyone except you. So if you want someone else to be able to have access into this file, what you need to do is type their email. So I'm going to use my name, dw@gmail.com. all right, so that email hasn't been taken, and I'll press comma. With comma, I can type in more at gmail.com, comma, and you can add as many as you want, and you can also give them permissions. So what permission do you want to give to them? Can edit, or can view only. So if you choose can view, they would be able to be in the file and see what's going on, but outsiders with the link will not be able to do so unless you bring back the only people invited to this file to anyone with the link. And once you click on the send invite, these people that you've put in their emails will get an invite in their mails, and they'll be able to get on this file. Now there's a second way to share things, and it's majorly for prototypes. So to share a prototype, all you need to do is go to a prototype. Now this is a prototype, so I'm going to go up here and click on share prototype, and it's the same process. All right, so only people invited to this file can have access. All right, and then only anyone with the link can view or can edit, or whichever one you choose. So you can see there's someone here already trying to get access into this file, so all I need to do is change it to only people invited to this file. So since the person has not been invited to this file prior to now, you won't see their details below mine anymore. So if I want to share this on Behance, for those of you that want to share your prototype on Behance and don't want to share just the link, all you need to do is go on Behance, click on the Figma prototype session, come back to this page and click on get embedded code, and then all you need to do next is click on copy that code. And once you copy it, it would be copied. All right, and then you can take it to your Figma to your Behance page and paste the code there, and it will turn into an automatic prototype that anyone would be able to use. All right, mind you, if you blocked it from people seeing certain things, then they may not be able to have access to the prototype. So ensure to leave the prototype open, and what I do is I move it to a new file. If I want to share such a prototype on my Behance channel, I'm going to move it to a new file and I will share that. I hope Figma have a fix for it tomorrow, because I shared a prototype a certain time and people were able to get access into the actual file, and the file has so many informations and content that were only meant for me. So this is it, guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.